finished product. As you can see, a lot of it's got to stop somewhere if you remember what it looked like. So this was like up close. So you've got your oil-based undercoat, and you've got to remember this house is a lead house, so you really don't want to be sanding it. You don't want to be stripping all this back, because once you start that, well then this becomes a huge job and an issue with lead paint. As it is, the way I've done this house is I've basically encapsulated all the lead, and then I put my paint on the top of that so we don't get any dust. So you'll find there's no dust here at all, except for the ones that the owner sanded. I haven't sanded any, but you know, we could have filled all this up, but the next painter can do that, the next job, next time it's painted. And then what it looks like now, there's a big difference, huge big difference. But yeah, no, it's looking pretty bloody good. And we can take this stuff off now. The electrician can come in, fit all these lights and stuff now. Here's all that's finished. Although we've got an opening up there, look. That's a only first one I've seen open up right there. But other than that, some of those gaps there are, you know, 10, 15 mil wide. There you go. Thanks for tuning in on this house. It's been a pleasure to do, actually. It's not as bad as you think. And yeah, no, it's come up good. It's just one of those things that you do. But just remember, this is encapsulating the lead paint. You know, for example, at the top there's no sanding except for sanding the undercoat. We only sanded the undercoat. So actually not sanded anything else back. As soon as I get to the other colour, we'll stop sanding. So by doing it this way here, it is not a lead house, it's not a lead job. And it looks absolutely magnificent, really, to what it was before. So I'm just doing some finishing touches, glossing the skirtings. The 2 coats got to go on. Just using a scruffy old 75mm Uni-Pro.
Thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escape. gets thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like